Hey guys, welcome back to the 5x5. In this video, I'm going to bring you the best tips and tricks to help you get to your target weight. So if you're ready to shed those extra pounds and feel your best, let's get started. But first, pound those like and subscribe buttons for more videos. The first tip is all about consistency and patience. Remember, losing weight is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Stay committed to your goals, adopt healthy habits, and give yourself time to see results. Trust the process and celebrate every milestone along the way. Next up is hydration. Staying hydrated is often underestimated when it comes to weight loss. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps boost your metabolism, control your appetite, and keep you feeling refreshed. So, don't forget to sip on that H2O throughout the day. Moving on to our third tip, regular physical activity is key to losing weight. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercises, like brisk walking or cycling, and strength training exercises to build muscle. Don't forget, finding activities you enjoy will make it easier to stay motivated and consistent. A balanced diet. Focus on incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. By nourishing your body with nutritious foods, you'll feel satisfied and energized while working towards your weight loss goals. Number 1. Portion control. By being mindful of the amount of food you consume, you can manage your calorie intake and create a calorie deficit for weight loss. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but rather finding a healthy balance. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, you've got this. See you soon.